So there may be some repeated performances, but I think these children are depicting really wonderful leaders and icons of India. So hope you are enjoying this performance so far. Over to you, Sadrishya.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sadrusha. I am first class, studying in first class. I dress up like Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata तुम्हें प्रणाम. प्रणाम जीना मरना तेरे नाम. सबसे ऊंची तेरी शान. कभी झुके ना तेरी यान. हम सबे तेरी संतान. रखेंगे हम तेरा मान. जय हिंद.
Super!